Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We're here in the shop today and we're going into wintertime, starting to get cold, the leaves are starting to change here in South Carolina. So I wanted to highlight a few products that I think you should think about adding to your kits and your vehicles, and that's Mylar blankets. If I were going to tell you to pick one, it would be this one. This is a blizzard blanket, it's a 2-layer. This one is massive. This one is awesome, I like it. But it is expensive and it does take up a pretty good amount of real estate. Not a ton, but it does take up some real estate. So this was a 2-layer blizzard blanket here, but this is a great one. If you're on a budget, then I would think about just doing a small one like this. Maybe a couple of these in your kits. These are super small. You could definitely add this into your IFAK and use it to prevent hypothermia. We know that it's easier to prevent hypothermia than it is to fix it. So once you get someone in shock, you realize they're in shock, let's keep them warm. So one of these blankets right here could absolutely save someone's life. These blankets work great, but if you could add hot packs to them, they work fantastic. So if you're thinking you're outside in the woods, it's fall, it's cold weather, or it's winter time, maybe your car broke down, something like that, you cover with a Mylar blanket, pop these instant hot packs, put them up under your armpits, put them in the neck, put them in your groin. Just don't put them directly onto your skin because it can cause some burns. Instant hot packs plus a Mylar blanket could absolutely save someone's life during a traumatic event. So we have all these listed at medicalgearoutfitters.com. I'll put a link down below. Go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.